Viewers, good morning. Today we discuss very important shortcut technique about on the order and degree of the given differential equations. So this is IIT level. These problems are very useful in IIT, JEE and AP, MSET and diploma exams also. Very useful this type of problem. So we have d cube y by dx cube whole square minus 3 dy by dx whole square minus e power x equal to 4 is given. So highest order. What is the highest order? 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3. So 3. Order equal to 3. Order equal to 3. So highest order exponent is called degree. So degree equal to 3. Degree equal to 2. Next we go to another problem. X power 1 by 2 d square y by dx square power 1 by 3 plus x dy by dx plus y equal to 0. Here the order is 2 is enough, but the exponent is fractional form. So that is integral form, that is correct. So we have x power 1 by 2 d square y by dx square whole power 1 by 3 equal to minus of x dy by dx plus y. So here x power 1 by 3 is given. We take cube root on both sides, we take cube and we do cubing on both sides, we get x power 2 by 3, x power 3 by 2 d square y by dx square 1 by 3 into 3. Cubing on both sides we get this equal to minus of x dy by dx plus y cube. So these three get cancelled. We have the highest order. What is highest order? 1 and 2. 2 is the highest order. So here order equal to 2 and the exponent is 1. So d square y by dx square whole power 1. There is no number, that means we can consider as degree equal to 1. Degree equal to 1. Next we see one more problem. Integral of d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole square power 5 by 6 equals 6y. So here the exponent is 6 by 5. So we do some simplification. We take 5 by 6 on both sides. D square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole power 6 by 5 into 5 by 6. This equal to 6y power 5 by 6. So we have this 5 get cancelled, this 6 get cancelled. So what remains? D square y by dx square plus dy by dx equal to 6y. So what is the highest order here? Second order. This is second order equation. So order equal to 2 and there is no number exponent that can be considered as 1. So degree equal to 1. Degree equal to 1. Order equal to 2. The highest order of the exponent is called degree. So second order equation, the exponent is 1. So degree is 1. Next we see one more problem. dy by dx whole power 1 by 2 plus d square y by dx square power 1 by 3 power 1 by 4 equal to 0. So we take fourth, we take fourth root. So here fourth root is given. dy by dx, we do squaring on both sides 2 times. dy by dx whole power 1 by 2 plus d square y by dx square 1 by 4. We do squaring 2 sides, we get 1 by 4 into 4. This is equal to 0. This 4 get cancelled. We have d square y by dx square whole power 1 by 4 equal to minus of dy by dx whole power 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So what is the LCM of 3 and 2? 6. LCM of 2 and 3 equals 6. So we take 6 d square y by dx square whole power 1 by 3 into 1 by 6 equal to dy by dx whole power 1 by 2 into 6. 2 1s, 2 3s. 6. 3 1s, 3 2s. So this equal to d square by dx square whole square equal to minus half dy by dx whole cube. So order equal to order equal to 2 and degree equal to 2. So both are same. So these problems are very important. All of you must and should learn this type of problems. Thank you very much. Thank you, viewers. Definite integration. So we have integral 0 to pi by 2 dx by 16 cos square x plus 25 sin square x is given. So this answer is pi by 2 into 20. This answer is pi by 2 into 20. Next we see integral 0 to pi by 2 dx by 1 cos square x plus 4 sin square x is given. So this answer is pi by 2 into 1 into 2 equal to pi by 4. So integral 0 to pi by 2 dx by 4 cos square x plus 9 sin square x is given. So this answer is pi by 2 into 6. This equal to pi by 12. So how to get this answer? Integral 0 to pi by 2 dx by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x equal to pi by 2 into a into b. Similarly, we continue the same manner. Pi by 2, 16 can be written as 4 square and 25 can be written as 5 square. So integral this value equal pi by 2 into 4 into 5. So this answer equal to pi by 40. Next we go to another problem by continuing the same manner. Pi by 2 into 1 square equal to 1. 4 square 2 square equal to 4. So 1 into 2. Pi by 2, 1 into 2 means 2. This is pi by 4. Next we see one more problem. 0 to pi by 2 dx by 4 cos square x plus 9 sin square x is given. So 4 can be written as 2 square and 9 can be written as 3 square. Pi by 2 into 2 into 3 equal to 6. Pi by 2 into 6 equal to pi by 12. So these problems are very important in MCET, IIT, JEE, NDA, diploma exam, any other SSC competition exams. So all of you must and should learn this type of problems. Thank you once again. Thank you, viewers.